Hello everyone, this is Mainak from Civil Center. Welcome all of you to today's session. Yesterday, in the previous session, we had completed up to this 3D model of this particular house, as you can see here, up to this much. And if you haven't watched that video, we'll give the link in the description and you can also check out that. So, today we'll just do the naming of that particular plan as per this. And after that, we'll also learn how to insert the furniture layout. So for the naming of the rooms, we have some techniques like we can insert, we'll go to insert and we can insert the text, or go to annotate and insert the text like this. So you can easily insert the text, or else we have an option of room. So it's better that we use the option of room because it has many advantages, like you can give several colors or several tiles or several textures to different rooms. So that will really be very helpful for you. So we'll go with the creation of rooms. So we'll just take a room here, and as you can see, we'll put a room here, and this one, and this is the toilet here, this one, and this one. Now, okay, note this is the staircase portion, but since there is no separator portion between, as you can see here, there is no separator portion in between, so the entire thing they are taking is one. So what we can do, we can have this, just click on escape, and we have this option of room separator. We can just separate the particular rooms here. So once we separate the rooms, and then we can go back to the architecture and then rooms, and then we can take the rooms as such, and this one. So like this we have taken our rooms. So you can also write the size of the rooms here. If you want to just change or edit the text, you just need to change the scale. If you do this 3/16, it text size automatically reduces. So we'll just change this. You can just double click on it and then change the particular text. So it will Puja 4 feet 3 inches into 8 feet. So just write it here, and then this one, kitchen. Just double click on anything and you can write dimensions also, like this, 4 feet 3 inches into your 8 feet. You can see from here 0 inches, like give the dimensions also. So like this you can place the text, and if you just reduce the scale, use the 1/2, that will fit properly. 1/2 goes to 1, that will fit properly. So like this you can use these scales. If you once you do that, you can just get rid of this dimensions, or else you can just click on this and hide in view category. That will hide the things in view. So like this the puja room, so the remaining room also will do like this. So let's do one by one. Size, let's write the size here, 12 feet 10 inch into 14 feet 5 inches. Next is for our bedroom. Bedroom size is 13 feet 1 inches into 10 feet. Like this, if you want to put it below, just click the space and it disappears from here, and then you can put it below. Like this you can have it. So if you want to increase the text size, you can just go and go below this. The more below you go, it will increase. Like this, it keeps on increasing. The more up you go, it just decreases. So this seems to be the proper size. So we'll just rename the other rooms as well quickly. Toilet 7 into 4. And then the remaining rooms. Or do you have a drawing room 10 feet into 12 feet 10 inches? This will be the staircase, 12 feet. This will be the staircase. It will be 6 feet 8 inches. It is around 6 feet 8 inches into 12 feet 10 inches. bedroom 12 feet 8 inches into 12 feet 10 inches. So like this, rename all the elements here, and renaming and using this particular room element will give you various advantage. Like we can give the tile color, we can give the floor color, and also we can make the 3D floor plan in the upcoming videos. So, and also we'll add furniture like this in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned to our channel to watch that video. Bye for now. Keep learning. And if you want any particular videos related to Revit, you can comment below. Bye bye.